Hello, this is Smartdumdass with a video on the CO2 1911 and the M4.
Okay, this is the M4, guys. It has about 32 shots per minute. It's a very accurate gun. You've got good sights. Look through it well. And yeah, it's got a semi, and then it's got a fully auto. So yeah, and if we had a handguard for it one time, and yeah, it's really accurate and a good gun.
And this is the CO2 wing gun 1911. It holds about 16 rounds per clip and semi-auto. Takes CO2. After it's used, it has a hole in the top, if you can see that, probably not. When it's not used, it has not been punctured. And put it in, you just slide it in, and you twist the bottom, which I'm not going to do. And yeah, so that's our video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, rate.